Hi, my name is Melanie Chappell. I am a transitions pharmacist with the University of Maryland Shore Regional Health, and I'm so excited to be partnering with Chesapeake Forum to provide a wonderful program called Medication Tips and Tricks. I am happy to be addressing all kinds of questions and concerns that you may have about your medications. Do you have concerns about the side effects? Are there barriers that you're experiencing to getting and taking your medications? Are you concerned about the side effects that you could be experiencing? We can go into a whole bunch of different tips and tricks to make sure we address your needs and your concerns about your medications. My partner in crime will be Kelly Alexander, who's a coworker up at Chestertown University of Maryland location. She's going to be partnering with me and making sure that we can address all your concerns about medications, including side effects, concerns about over-the-counter medicines. Do you have concerns about medicines that you should take that may interfere or interact with your other prescription medicines? Do you have concerns on how to address those issues with your primary care doctor? We can happily help you break down barriers to making sure you get those medications and understand how to take them correctly.